We're team number 5. My name is Julia. My teammates are Konstantin, Maxim and Charlie. Today we're going to talk about Canadian Food Inspection Agency. So, what we're going to talk about today? We will describe what is CFIA and the history of the agency. We will describe the values of the agency and main responsibilities. So, what is CFIA? Canadian Food Inspection Agency is an organization that protects Canadians from food hazards and protects animals and plants' health.
This agency was created in April 1997 by Canadian Food Inspectors Act. The main aim was to combine all independent inspection services into, namely, Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada, Fisheries and Ocean Canada, and Health Canada, into one single agency.
Okay, we would like to show you a video about Canadian Food Inspection Agency.
We're called the Canadian Food Inspection Agency, but the CFIA is much more than food. Every day, more than 6,000 CFIA professionals work to protect Canadians across the country. They help protect plant and animal health, prevent food safety hazards, manage food safety investigations and recalls, and help protect the marketplace from unfair practices. The CFIA strives to maintain the highest level of plant health, animal health, and food safety for all Canadians.
So, now we are going to tell you about the values of Canadian Food Inspection Agency. The first value, the first value is the scientific accuracy. The agency is really proud of their scientific approach and they are trying to develop it in their work. The second value is the reputation that is crucial. So they're really appreciating the staff who are doing exceptional work, and all the problems are solved in the agency. The next one is the pride of work. Canadian Food Inspection Agency is very proud of contributing to Canadians' lifestyle. For example, they have an award for employees who have excellent job.
The first value is personal is value. While all our person is respected and valuable, also our agency supporting for the developing and learning the programs, special programs that will positively affect for our future priorities. The next one is all parties are considerate. The work is all parties are considered and their respectives. The next one is the work is independent. Well, we have a special policy that is against any gifts, so that makes so as not to jeopardize an independent of agency. Also, the last one, but the most important, is that we are responsible and we take care about well-being of our staff, psychological and physiological also.
So coming to the main responsibility of Canada, so they divide into two categories. The first, the food consumption, and the second one for animal health and plant health. For food consumption, so they set and for the compositional labeling and quality standard. So as a result, they enact the food safety and nutritional quality standard varies in the Health Canada. So for animal and plant, they set the standard and enforce them. So besides the scope of their mandate is so vague and complex because they have ability to do many things, and other activity will include inspecting, regulating the process of the food import and export. Additionally, domestic movement of horticulture, forestry, and plant products. They analyze and display the border inspection for foreign pests and disease. They enacting as well implementing the legislation regarding labor. They verifying the human transport of animal, conducting the food investigation and recording. They performing laboratory testing and environmental assessment of seeds and plant feeds and fertilizer. So last but not least, they work on preventing exotic pests from introduced into Canada and controlling and eradicating these kind of pests. Thank you so much.
Alright, so in conclusion, I would like to say that the Canadian Food Inspection Agency has a huge role and is responsible for the operations of all F&B premises across Canada. The CFIA monitors the entire restaurants, cafes, and the quick service restaurants for a various range of food safety regulations, included but not limited to assessing the establishments for any kinds of food safety issues and paying a close attention to the enforcement of any applicable recommendations regarding the food safety with the accordance to the Health Canada provisions. However, the CFIS activities are primarily focused on the kitchens, supplying dogs, and any other surrounding facilities operations, as these areas carry on a higher chance of breaching any food safety related policies due to the nature of their main routine operations. As an example, one of the most critical concerns and aspects that the CFI agents check for is the flow of food from receiving to serving at any stage. It is also important to note that the CFI agents always make their visits to the F&B premises as unexpected ones, so the food establishments have no chance of preparing for those visits. And finally, as of April 1997, the CFIS primary values have always been providing the staff with any needed knowledge to ensure the food safety as well as the health and well-being of all employees while executing their jobs accordingly to the company's and the CFIS high standards. Thank you very much.
Do you have any questions? No?
No. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.